This is the Blueberry Beat. I'm AJ, and this is my Aunt Treat. So did you know that when you think of blue and the color itself, it's actually kind of a tranquilizing component to cool down your system? Helps you heal and mend, which I think actually completely makes sense, seeing as blueberry is one of the biggest superfoods that we have out there. What better way to pack a powerful punch of health than a blueberry with some blue in it?
That is true. That's a good point.
This looks really awesome. What do we got for us today, Treat?
Well, I have a whole array of different things that I thought would showcase the different way we can use our products.
The versatility of it all. That's awesome.
Yeah. So here I have our sausage wrapped in bacon with onion jam on it. And,
fun.
And it has blueberry preserves and blueberry concentrate in there.
Very cool.
Then I have some wings, and I have blueberry preserves and blueberry barbecue sauce, and then the pepper jelly.
Oh, nice. Yes, that pepper jelly is really cool.
Yeah. Goodness.
There's a lot of fun things you can do with that.
Silly, but oh my gosh, it's so good.
Well, and you could add just a couple seasonings to it, and it can be a whole other jam on its own.
I have it in here, and I have candied jalapenos. This is
nice. Cool.
Barbecue beans. I have barbecue sauce, the candied jalapenos, and then some of the jelly. And you think that would be overwhelming with sweet blueberry sweet, you know,
No, there's a balance, right?
It is not at all. I was shocked. And then our cornbread right here. Yeah, it comes, it's very soft.
Yeah, I can see that. Yep. I like that.
And we have that in a mix. And it comes true to the recipe. Whatever they say, you just do it.
Do it and go. Cool.
And it's perfect. It's very good. So you can do it with muffins, or you can do it as I did within the squares. Traditional. And then I did a spin on chicken and waffles. So I have a blueberry waffle.
Neat.
And I have just a store-bought chicken tender. And then I have our blueberry honey.
Oh, nice.
But it's the Nashville hot.
Oh, heard. Okay.
I put some of that.
Put a little hot on there. All right. Drizzle it on there.
You know,
nothing's wrong with some hot honey.
I was, I had to do it twice because the first time I put way too much
a little too
cayenne in it, and then
smoke's blowing out of your ears.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. And here's a fun thing. I know it kind of looks a little weird.
It does look really
weird. Guess what these are?
I think that they are tater tots, maybe.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
And the waffle iron. Yeah. So I have blueberry barbecue sauce in ketchup.
Oh, heard.
And that would be really good on top of there.
Oh, how do
So you got your
king a little savory savory spread here.
Yep. And then for the wings, I have a Alabama white sauce, which has a little bit of the blueberry concentrate in it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can't really tell. It's a little.
I didn't put hardly any in it.
Yeah, you didn't need a lot.
And this is the barbecue sauce.
Oh, cool.
So you can drizzle on there, and then of course some pickles and stuff to kind of fit the plate,
Compliment
it. And then over here, I made little kebabs.
Everybody loves a good kebab.
Guess what that is?
Is that mozzarella and one of our blueberry beef jerky sticks? Oh, wow, very cool.
And then these I thought were kind of unique. This a biscuit dough, the pop open can of biscuit dough.
Yeah.
And I wrapped our, I don't know if you could see. No, this one.
Let's just tear one open.
Okay.
Tear one open. Is there something inside of it? Let's do it.
It's this blueberry sausage.
Oh,
I mean, it's the meatball.
Yeah, the meatball.
The meatball with barbecue sauce on it. And you could buy the frozen one, turkey ball. Yeah. And so it's all kind of fresh in there. And then I put the blueberry honey around the top.
Oh, very neat.
And then guess what those are?
Those are the blueberry sausages, aren't they? Blueberry sausage over here.
Put them in a skillet.
Yeah, just kind of fry them up. You know what I actually like to do with blueberry sausage sometimes? Slice them like that, put some brown sugar on it, throw it in the oven too. So that's a nice quick little breakfast deal.
You don't need anything on them. It goes good with our blueberry mustard right here.
It sure does. Absolutely.
Yeah. So that's what I usually dip it in, is the blueberry mustard.
Right.
And guess what that other thing is down there? The white
this
with the
thing
blue.
right here. looks to me like a little bit of nonsense. No, I actually don't really. Cold, it's something so wrapped with prosciutto. Is this prosciutto?
It's prosciutto.
Cool. With the lime preserves then, or did they just the regular preserves?
The pepper, I believe it's the pepper.
Oh, the pepper jam. Oh, okay.
It is one of the mozzarella sticks that the kids eat.
Oh, okay.
And I just cut them in half.
Oh, okay.
And I put it on a baking tray, and I baked it for a little while.
Oh,
they're cold now, so it kind of.
So this is like the string cheese you're talking about that you would just like pull and eat. Oh, cool, and then you heat it up. Oh, yeah, what a neat idea. Oh, very cool. Excellent. Great. Well, this is such a neat, cool way to see the different varieties and the versatility, the true versatility of the blueberry in itself, right?
I'm literally shocked at how it tastes. I just could not believe it.
You always think it's going to be one taste, and then it just isn't. It's like a little hint of what you're assuming it's going to be, and then it just expands. Yeah.
That make our products
very talented, right?
Yeah, they have it down. They really care about their product.
Well, I think that, and they're also just as curious as we are about what they can do with blueberries, right?
Well, that's just it. I also did something else. Guess what that is? I put the pepper jam on there. That's a piece of my arm, right?
I just use it.
Bacon, sweet bacon, I guess. Cracked bacon. Yeah, bacon candy.
Cool. Awesome. Well, this is a really, really cool spread, and it looks really unique, and I think it actually is one of those things where the best of the best chefs would even try this out.
Thank you, Annie. Thank you.
So, absolutely. Well, I got trained from the best. So, well, great, cool. Well, thanks again. Really appreciate you showing this all to us. And for the Blueberry Beat, I'm AJ. This is Street. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.